when you listen to music, you hear it, but you don't get to really see that come to life in the same way. So we put it together to get the movie to work now as a concert.
本来是觉得好像是一个纯音乐会这种形式，又有视觉又有听觉，就是这种方式没看过，就挺独特的。
原片就是结合的很好。
对对对对。
The hall is packed, so most of the tickets are sold out.
Every time I play music, and I never think a lot and not straight, nothing, just play and fun with what I do, what I hear.
When I'm on the podium and you feel them, reacting to what you're doing with such perfection and such power, so I'm having so much fun.
给我最直观的感受就是年轻，他的音乐还有他的人，大家都觉得有很新奇的元素在里面。他有点像过来玩，然后他的这种玩感，然后带动我们是一个很好的一个跨界的一个尝试。